Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your contact list in Brevo. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to remove unwanted or outdated contacts from your Brevo account to keep your database organized and up to date. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master this platform step by step. Now, let's get started. Before we move into the steps, let's quickly understand what cleaning a contact list actually means. Cleaning your contact list is the process of removing contacts that are no longer active, relevant, or valid. Over time, your list can include people who don't engage with your emails or have invalid email addresses or have unsubscribed from your campaigns. A clean contact list helps improve deliverability, ensures your campaigns reach real and active subscribers, and saves you from sending messages to addresses that might bounce. Brevo makes it easy to manage and clean your contact list in just a few simple steps. So, to clean your contact list in Brevo, navigate to the left-hand side menu and click on the CRM tab. It will expand to show more options like contacts, lists, and segments. Now click on the Contacts option. The Contacts page will appear on the right side of the screen, displaying a table of all of your contacts. To begin cleaning this list, select your contacts that you want to remove. You can check the box next to each contact individually, or if you want to clean the entire list, simply check the box at the top of the table and select all contacts at once. Once you select your contacts, you'll see additional options appear just above the first row of the table, such as Add to List, Block List, and More Actions. Click on More Actions. Now a drop-down menu will expand with several options, including Edit, Assign, Export, Add to Automation, Remove from Lists, and Delete Permanently. Since we are cleaning this list, click on Delete Permanently. This will open a confirmation pop-up window asking you to verify your action. In the confirmation window, type 1 in the provided field to confirm the deletion, and then click on the delete button to complete the process. Once you confirm, Brevo will permanently delete the selected contacts from your list. Now, this means they'll be completely removed from your account and won't appear in any lists or future campaigns. Be sure these are the ones you want to delete. If you ever need to clean up specific segments or lists rather than your full contact database, you can repeat the same steps inside any particular list. Keeping your contact list clean ensures that your emails are sent only to active and interested subscribers, improves engagement rates, and keeps your account organized for better marketing performance. All right, that's how you clean your contact list in Brevo. We walked through what cleaning a contact list means, and then how to permanently remove old or inactive contacts to keep your account running smoothly. And if you want to take your email marketing to the next level, don't forget to grab that 50% off of Brevo's starter and business plans for only 3 months using the link that we put down there in the description. Plus, you'll get my full Brevo course to help you become a pro even faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.